So this is the Grimm animatronic.
And it's Thanksgiving.
Come here, guys. Take a closer look at him. Look down. Side of the box. Back of the box.
Here, let's read a story.
Can you cut from it?
This is Grimm's story.
Oh. Watch out when the sun dips below the horizon and the dark blanket of night lays across your sleepy little town, because Grimm and his tortured undead brethren rise
And
to
happy
stalk
Thanksgiving.
stalk the lives of the living, cursed to walk the night for eternity, reaping misfortune and ghastly dread to anyone unlikely enough to cross their path. Don't be fooled by their wicked sense of humor, or else, while you are laughing, you might find that your funny bone, along with the rest of your skeleton, ends up part of their army forever.
Okay, that's the story. And now back to the front of the box. All right, let's start opening. Hey, Daddy! Daddy! Oh, Daddy! We need someone. If you have this animatronic, you need a parent to open up open up the box. Don't use X-Acto knives when you're a kid. All right, now we got him open.
I'm ready to see this.
You guys ready? Come up the top. I'm gonna put him over here so we have a spot to set him up. Here he is. All right.
Here he comes.
These are his. Oh, I hear the posable arm. Yeah, I need some help, please.
I think that's
Yes, huge.
Daddy, open
This is bigger than I thought.
Daddy, I'll see that head.
Those are some poles that we need.
The hand bone's connected to the.
Leg bone. Alright. This is so cool. Oh! Here we have it, guys.
Hold on, we'll just get it.
This is his leg piece. Looks like a bat, but it's not a bat.
And I think this is his
Goes
head.
here. There's feet. These are his feet. Guys, look at this.
Daddy, open this
cool.
to see it.
Power
all
and
skeleton.
instructions are right here.
That's him. Him. Wait, can I hold this?
Yeah.
Look at this, guys. This is his mechanism. And there's a sensor. So this is Grimm.
Actually, sensors. Whoa, there's two sensors.
All right,
Don't forget on the very bottom there's one more box, but it's empty.
okay.
So
Excuse
we're
me.
good. Those are all the parts.
Wait, what is his head?
His head is. Yeah, good question. Where is his head?
Maybe in here.
Yeah, it's probably.
Oh yeah, that's where the head is. That's where the head is. Woo! All right. And look
All
at
right,
the
you
background,
open the
guys.
instructions.
Ooh.
And say,
You
All right.
can't get the instructions
Oh, I'm
there.
gonna open the instruction, guys. Ah. I'm with some.
Oh, there's a skeleton looking at me in this box.
Oh, wait, can I hold it? Whoa!
it's his head.
It's huge. It's huge.
Noah,
This
put
is
it
his
on your
head.
face. Noah, put it on your face.
I think his head weighs the most.
No, it's the mechanism, obviously. Look at that. And look, you can open his mouth.
Actually,
All right, that's Grimm's head. Okay, let's open these instructions without rage. Okay, I'm going to set up this animatronic. All
hey, hot spider,
right.
look.
Ba-ba-da.
Hey, hot spider,
All right.
look.
So this is the base out, and the instructions we are going to start setting up. So the first step you need to do is take K and H. These are the feet. This one
And I love these
goes
guys.
here on the front.
And sorry, hot spider, around
this
picking
one-
my nose.
This one goes on the back.
Allie!
Okay, so, and then the next part is you need to take, it looks like these, the legs, and, see the, no, it's not that way. Oh, this way. Like that. Right? Oh, it goes this way. Other way. Bloopers. Can you snap? It's not going in. Unless that's. Wait, is it?
It's
Oh! Yep, that's J. J.
J goes on K.
J goes to K to J.
There you go. Just like that, I guess. And the other one?
Now. I'll do this one. Like that.
You have to line this up.
Oh, okay.
This.
There we go. Alright. The next part is once you get that, you need to put in the poles. So you get these poles right here. The first one goes in like this, I think. It's, yeah. We need to snap this.
See the hole? You have to put it in.
I need to snap it. Wait, does this go backwards? Yeah, this goes backwards. That is a snapper. Sorry if I'm saying weird words. I'm just excited. So the next step is put on these poles. So I should be able to do this. D. So this is the front. We need. Why are these both labeled D? Alright, D. Oh, because they're the same kind of thing. Okay. Just go. What? Oh! They go like. Alright, oh, there we go. Now I need to do the other one. Like this.
And remember, guys, always parents.
Flip it again. Alright, now we need to. Oh, there we go. Alright. So this is, if you guys got this so far, you are correct. Now, the next step is we need to flip over the paper first. And we have to put on these. These are the knees. Again? Okay. Alright, you need to put them on. Go in. Go in. Just go in. Come on. Don't be afraid. Oh, I know why. I'm pouring.
You have to make sure you guide the shapes correctly. See how this is circular? Circular. This
Yeah.
one goes on here. Just like that.
Makes a lot of noise.
And
Alright.
now this one goes on here like this.
I can't do these legs.
There you go.
Alright. So this is what you have so far. Look, this looks so good. And now, next step is you need to take this beefy Oh, I need to take off these foam. We need to take this mechanism. That's a fun word to say. It's a snapper. I'm gonna need some help. Alright.
Hold it up, you try to insert it, okay?
Okay. Alright, is it in? Okay. I don't like snappies because they, if you clip them wrong, they hurt you. That one's not snapped in. Make sure to snap it in correctly. Knock off.
Okay. So this one's just gonna snap.
Our pool's messed up a bit, so this won't happen with your
It
grip.
snapped. It did snap.
Be careful.
Okay. He's good.
He snapped?
Now
He's good. Yeah, he snapped.
Okay, alright. So, this. Oh, now I need to take a foam piece
Now arm.
onto the other side. Oh, that one's foam piece is taken off. Alright, so you have this. You're correct. He is tall. Holy moly. And now, so the next step, you need to get the arms. So, this is an arm. You guys probably know that. So this goes, this is O, I'm pretty
It's
sure.
the left arm.
This is left. And left is, no, this is
Yep.
Yeah,
That's
this
his
is
left arm.
his left.
Yep, it's on his butt.
Can you get it?
I'm gonna need some help. I'm too short. I'm too short.
All right. Get a parent to help if you can't do it.
Yeah.
Yep,
Or get a
it's
step
on
stool.
Oh, we need a screwdriver.
Screwdriver? Okay.
You're gonna need a screwdriver to screw in the piece once it's connected.
Yep.
That ensures that it's not gonna move.
What kind of screwdriver? Do you need a star? Do you need a
Is
star?
this the right?
Yeah,
I need a star, please. Yeah.
this is a star.
Otherwise known as a Phillips head.
Is this a star?
Phillips head.
So your Grim shall be looking like this. If you guys have a Grim, or you could just enjoy us setting this thing up.
Okay, next.
Now we need to do the other arm. Okay, so this arm, let's take this.
This was O and this is N.
I got it.
Good job, Noah.
And you know, guys, I'm 4 now.
She's been for a while.
And my
It
brother
just
too.
screws in. This is N, that's O. And now, the last part. Already, we got the head. So, first of all, we need to take out a screw. We need to take out a screw so the head snaps. No, on this, on the neck.
Oh, right there.
See? So then the head won't get blocked by the screw and it will snap in. Don't worry if you guys don't know what I'm talking about.
It's already loosened actually.
It is?
I'll try to take
Hi,
it
guys.
out.
Standing on a table,
It's this
just
screw.
so I can see.
Remove the back screw. You want to insert the head, Noah?
Sure, I can insert this head.
Connect this first.
Sure, I guess.
Probably a good idea.
There,
Oh, hold on.
the screw will go on next.
Hold on. We're gonna just connect it and then we'll snap it in.
This is scary. This head is gonna fall. You have to hold your head. Okay, I'm holding my head. I'm talking about Grim's head.
And then we're gonna snap it in.
By using a screw. We need to screw that screw back in.
That's the only thing that goes in like that. Right?
You need to screw that screw back in.
She's just staring. There's your little brother over there. And then the big papa is at Home Depot.
A big 12-foot.
And we're going to move this guy over, by the way, just because I noticed he's under a coffee tin on his base. See the instructions.
All right.
This is our Grim.
It's out!
Now we're gonna plug them in.
And I'm going to
I shall do the honors. So, wait guys, come back here quick. I need you guys to come. Daddy I need you guys to come see the control center.
On his
This
butt.
is it right here.
On his
This is what
butt.
you want to be seeing.
On his butt.
Allie, stop.
We're just gonna move him over so we can.
So
put him
it's
in.
at his butt.
It's pretty cool.
This is our. He's so
Are we
tall.
ready?
Yeah.
So you're gonna make sure it's on which setting, Noah?
Okay.
The on. Make sure it's on, or else
And it's on max volume when it's open.
don't
So
turn
as
it on
soon
max.
as we go.
Turn it the volume off of it.
Your host is not here right now.
Why is the arm not working?
They're busy burying
Oh,
something
there we
in the
go.
backyard. But we'll have loads of fun while they're gone. The night is young, and I'm ready to party. Are you?
That's him.
He's probably
You best be careful where you tread on this dark night. You don't know who you will run into. Creatures and creepy crawlies lurk out from every shadow. Why, I was just hiding in your closet with the other skeletons. Perhaps we let them all out for some fun.
He's working so well.
Ah, you look like death walked over, my friend.
Part.
This is
You're
good.
Are you with me tonight, guys?
Soon there will be enough of us. And we will terrorize the living
His eyes are
until
so
we
cool.
own this night. Are you with me? Tonight is ours.
Guys, that's him.
Your host is not here right
We're
now.
gonna turn off the lights.
They're busy burying something in the backyard.
Alright guys, thank you for watching this video of Grim instructional setup and us setting it up. If you guys don't have one at home, just want to set this guy up. See, 6 feet tall animatronic. Hooked him up with step pad. And Grim, say bye to everybody. Say bye. Be sure to subscribe, like, hit the bell so you're notified whenever a new video is posted. We'll see you Han Finders in another video. Grim, say bye.
Your host is not here right now. They're busy burying something in the backyard. But we'll have loads of fun while they're gone. The night is young, and I'm ready to party. Are you? Ah, you look like death warmed over, my friend. This is good. Soon there will be enough of us. And we will terrorize the living until we own this night. Are you with me? Tonight is ours. Your host is not here right now. They're busy burying something in the backyard. But we'll have loads of fun while they're gone. The night is young, and I'm ready to party. Are you? You best be careful where you tread on this dark night. You don't know who you will run into. Creatures and creepy crawlies lurk out from every shadow. Why, I was just hiding in your closet with the other skeletons. Perhaps we let them all out for some fun.